This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering microfiber cloths, white vinegar in a spray bottle, baking soda, and a soft sponge. This combo removes mineral film without scratching. Spray a light mist of vinegar onto a small section and let it dwell for 1 to 2 minutes to break down deposits. Use a soft sponge to lift loosened minerals, then pat dry with a clean microfiber cloth. Follow the appliance grain so you don't streak or abrade the surface. Once the light cleaning is done, tackle stubborn watermarks with a baking soda paste. Mix until spreadable. Apply the paste along the grain with a damp sponge and rub using light, circular pressure. The paste acts as a mild abrasive that lifts deposits without scratching. Let it sit 3 to 5 minutes if marks are heavy, then rinse thoroughly with clean water to remove abrasive residue, and dry immediately with a microfiber cloth so new minerals can't settle back. To finish, buff a few drops of olive oil on a microfiber cloth and glide along the grain to enhance shine and mask tiny streaks. This also forms a temporary water-resistant layer. If stains look etched, not just mineral film, you'll need a stainless-specific polish or professional restoration because etching changes the metal surface. If haze or marks persist, repeat the mild baking soda abrasion and always make sure to dry completely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.